Hi guys, welcome back to the Drive Life channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cold start a diesel Sprinter. Volvo's still out of action today, so we're taking the van, and it's not particularly cold here, to be honest. It's probably -5, nearly, it's like 20 degrees Fahrenheit. But there's a little process that can make starting these diesel engines a little easier for them. A little less likely to wear. Most of you guys probably already know it, but just to cycle the go plugs. Set the key, turn the ignition to on, you'll get the coil light there. Just going to cycle that a few times. Turn the key off again. Coil pack light. And what it's doing is it's preheating the cylinders, which makes it easier for them to ignite. And you'll see that the amount of time the coil pack light stays on for is getting shorter because they're getting warmer. Now we'll put our foot on the clutch and just start it. You'll notice that the revs will spike when you start it, and that's because Mercedes want all the oil to go around the engine and lubricate it properly. And you can see how cold it is because the liquid crystal display here is quite slow. So now we're just going to wait for it to defrost. I'm probably going to use a scraper and clear that off. But yeah, that's just a quick video on the best way really to start your diesel Sprinter. This is the OM651 engine, the 4-cylinder diesel, the one that has issues with timing chains, so it's definitely worth following this process to give your engine the best sort of opportunity to live its best life, to avoid any issues. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. Cheers.